Hey guys, it's me, Sally, and I'm back. Alam ko medyo matagal akong nawala. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-upload dito sa main channel ko na ito. And maybe some of you are wondering, okay pa ba si Sally? Ano na kayang nangyari sa kanya? And today, gusto ko lang mag heart-to-heart talk sa inyong lahat. Walang filter, just me sharing my life, my struggles, and the lessons I've learned and my journey in this past few months. And kung bago ka dito sa channel na ito, hi, I'm Sally. Dati akong nurse turned entrepreneur, content creator, author, and now a licensed mortgage professional dito sa Canada. And just recently, I became a certified abundance mindset coach. And lahat ng ito, hindi biglaan, kundi pinaghirapan, pinagpuyatan, pinagdasal. Kaya today, I want to be real with you about what's really been happening. This year, grabe talaga. Tahimik ako dito sa YouTube channel ko na ito, pero behind the scenes, sobrang dami kong ginawa, tinrabaho, and na-receive. I launched the Mortgage Pinay, and by God's grace, ang bilis niyang nag-take off. I had over 61,000 on my Facebook page at the moment, and even had one video that had 1 million views in just a day. And I've been getting hundreds of messages coming from all my social media platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, website, and mga kababayan nating mga gustong bumili ng bahay, mag-renew ng mortgage, mag-refinance, at bumili ng mga rental properties. And here's the real talk. Growing is great. Sobrang blessing. Pero minsan, overwhelming din talaga. May mga araw na hindi ko na alam kung ano uunahin ko. Ang daming calls, ang daming clients, ang daming volume. My calendar was fully booked for every single day, and I had to close my booking calendar and make a wait list sa mga gustong magpakonsulta. May mga moments na parang gusto ko na huminto saglit kasi hindi ko na kaya mentally and emotionally and physically. Minsan, napapaiyak din ako sa overwhelm. Sabay, sabi ko sa sarili ko, Lord, paano ko pa ito kakayanin? Pero, alam mo, kahit pagod ako, kahit puyat ako, I still feel so grateful kasi I'm building something here. I'm helping Filipinos, lots of Filipino families here in Canada, to finally own a home and build wealth, not just in real estate, but in all aspects of their lives. Mindset, money, life. Simula pa lang ng journey ko as an entrepreneur, I've always been passionate about growth. But I knew na hindi lang skills ang kailangan. Kailangan ko ring trabahuhin ang sarili ko. So I worked on my personal development. I read books, listen to audiobooks. I invested in coaching and mentorship. And over time, I realized that it was the best thing I ever did. Tama nga yung mga sinasabi nila na the best investment is yourself. Kasi lahat ng meron ako ngayon, lahat ng businesses na nilaunch ko, lahat ng success na naabot ko, I wouldn't have survived any of that kung hindi ko inayos ang mindset and my belief. Belief ko sa sarili ko. My mindset is what carried me through the hardest seasons. It's what helped me rise above all the failures, the self-doubt, the fear, and the pressure. So I took it to the next level. Nag-aral ako. I became a certified abundance mindset coach. And I did it because I want to help people who were just like my old self. Yung dating ako. Stressed, confused, overworked, gusto ng time and financial freedom, more time with my family, my kids, and at the same time, making a living. I've been in that exact same situation. Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mong umasenso pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula. I know the pain. And now gusto kong tumulong. To take people from where they are right now to where they want to be, starting with their mindset. And here are the 4 biggest lessons that I've learned throughout my journey. One, success is not always shiny. Minsan, success looks like puyat, pagod, paperwork, and breakdowns between breakthroughs. Next lesson, you can grow and still feel overwhelmed. And that's okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na dahil pagod ka, mali na ang ginagawa mo. It just means you're growing, you're expanding. Third lesson is, mindset is the real foundation. Hindi pwedeng strategy lang. Kailangang aligned din ang soul mo, beliefs mo, and vision mo. Next lesson is, you can design success in your own terms. I built my businesses around my values, family time, freedom, my lifestyle, and faith. Kaya kahit busy ako, hindi ako disconnected sa mga anak ko or sa family ko. Here's one thing about me. I love challenging myself. Gusto ko lagi akong nag-i-improve. I always ask myself, what's next? What can I get better? I'm that type of person na I don't settle. Every day I'm looking for something that will elevate me, stretch me, and grow me. That's just part of who I am. And speaking of what's next, I am working on something really exciting in the next few months. And I don't know if I'm going to share this with you right now, but I think I want to share it with you. So my accountability. So I'm going to build a brand, my new coaching business and digital platform that will help people reprogram their mindset, create financial peace, and design a life they actually love. And if you're someone na feeling stuck, na gusto mo nang lumaya from the rat race, na alam mong may potential ka pero wala kang clear path, hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula, then this is for you. So, stay tuned kasi super exciting ito and it's finally happening very, very soon. So, if you're watching this, baka ikaw din, pagod, overwhelmed, tahimik lang pero lumalaban. Please know this. I see you. You are not alone. This is just a season, not the end of your story. And minsan, the biggest breakthroughs come after the biggest breakdowns. And I'm here to walk with you as you build your own abundance story too. Now that you've heard my story, watch my next video where I will share how I am building a business that doesn't take me away from my kids. Because success should never ever cost you your family. I'll see you in the next one.